Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the essentials. Make sure the Facebook app and device OS are updated because outdated builds often block permission APIs. Next, confirm you're signed into the account linked to the app or service. Mismatched accounts cause silent denials. Once you know which permission fails, camera, contacts, or location, open the device settings immediately. This gives you direct control. I'll show why changing settings here fixes the problem, and then move into granting the permission properly. Now go to Settings, Apps, Facebook, then Permissions. Toggle the specific permission off and on to force a fresh grant. If a permission already shows allowed but the error persists, revoke it, then grant again. This resets the permission token the app uses. For Facebook in a browser, clear site cookies or reset site permissions, or test in a private window to isolate cache problems. Make sure to restart the app after changes, because many apps only recheck permissions at launch. Finish by restarting your device and relaunching Facebook, then test the action that caused the error. This confirms the fix. If it still fails, sign out and re-authenticate the account, or reinstall the app to clear corrupted data. If you need to, check the OS privacy controls or enterprise profiles that can block permissions, because corporate policies often override user settings. One key troubleshooting tip: if nothing works, create a short video of the error.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.